A nation's strength ultimately consists in what it can own, its own and not involved. It can borrow from others. So now I would like to invite Ms. Janvi Khanki from this speech.
उत्तरसमुद्रस्य हिमालयस्य दक्षिणं वर्षं तत्वा रतं नाम भारते यत्र सन्तति. That which is to the north of the ocean and south of the snowy mountain, that subcontinent is called Bharat, where elections perpetuate. Namaskar, Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Samir Bhai Tejura, Honorable Principal Sir, respected Vice Principal Madam, reputable teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Janvi Khanki, and my today's topic is patriotism. Today, I stand before you to talk about something close to all our hearts, our love for our country, patriotism. This phrase may have been used frequently to characterize liberation warriors. But what then is patriotism, and who is considered to be a patriot? A definition of patriotism can be willingness to sacrifice your life in the service of one's country, and patriots are those who support their nation and defend it from the enemies. Patriotism is not about flying our flag high or singing national anthem with pride. It's about understanding the struggle and sacrifices that have shaped our nation's history and feeling a deep-seated sense of duty to contribute to its future. Our country is built on the ideals of freedom, equality, and justice. These are not just a word, but a very foundation of our society. These are the principles for which our ancestors fought and in many cases laid down their lives, like Allu Sita Raju, Surya Sen, Veer Ali Khan, and many more who are still among. It's now our turn to uphold their values and continue their legacy. Being patriotic doesn't mean blindly agreeing with everything our leaders do or say, but it means contributing in community, helping those in need, and work together to build a better future for us. We live in an age of unprecedented opportunity. The world is changing rapidly, and with it, the challenges we face as the youth of the nation, we have energy, creativity, and determination to tackle this problem head-on. Let us channel our passion into positive action. Let us be the generation that bridges, builds, and divides unity. Let us innovate, educate, and advocate for a better tomorrow. By doing so, we honor the sacrifices of the past and lay groundwork for a brighter future. Patriotism is not about posting stories or posts with captions like hashtag Independence Day, hashtag I love my country, or hashtag celebrating Independence Day, or posting a update on WhatsApp, but it's about love for your country and see your country flourish. So let's ignite the spirit of patriotism within us. Let's take pride in our heritage, respect our culture and tradition, and work for the nation's progress. Together, we can achieve a greatness and a future that we are proud to pass on to the next generation. In last, I want to say some lines regarding patriotism by Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने शायद ये कहा था कि भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, एक जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। ये अर्पण की भूमि है, ये तर्पण की भूमि है, ये वंदन की भूमि है, अभिनंदन की भूमि है। इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकड़ कंकड़ हमारे लिए शंकर है। हम जिएंगे तो भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो भारत के लिए, और मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल में बहती हुई हमारी अस्थियों को कोई कान लगाकर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज आएगी।